skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. So today's tutorial is how I transform my short cut into a frohawk or a tapered cut type of look using what's called a vertical wig. So this is what the wig looks like. It has one clip on the bottom, two clips on the side, and a comb in the front. This wig is from the brand Eve Hair and it's in the style Billy in the color 613, which is platinum blonde. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip the bottom of the wig to the point in my hair, and then the three combs on the side and in the front, I'm just gonna stick them into my hair, and it stays secure because my hair is so thick and coarse. So if you have looser hair or thinner hair, I'm not sure how well it'll hold in place for you, but I just know that even if your hair is short like mine, as long as it's like coarse or thick, it'll stay in place. But yeah, so pretty much for the rest of this video, I'm just trimming it to shape my face. If you see me talking, I'm actually at work. In this video, I work in the beauty supply store that you see in the background, and that's also actually where I got this wig from. It's called Superstar Hair and Wigs, and it's located in Studio City, California. I'll have all the information in the description box below.
And if you are so stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me out first. Can't get what we know without. I've never felt like this before. If I'm moving too far, can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out